Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used machinery such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, machining centers, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you just a little example of what a really great line that we carry. SMTCL, they make machining centers, boring mills, all types of different machines. Very, very large line. Lots of support, and parts are all available for these guys. They use a lot of very off-the-shelf type parts. You can see it has a FNUC control, which everybody's very familiar with. You can put any of the options, the extra memory you might need into there. Very simple to get information on all the FNUC stuff. Also, all the parts in the actual control box of this unit, a lot of them are right off the shelf. Easy to get parts that you can go ahead and replace. If you had something go down, you'd be able to get right back up real quick. So this is the VMC 1600B, manufactured by SMTCL. See, it's got a nice large table. It's got a 20-position automatic tool changer. This particular model has the 50 Morse taper there, the 50 Cat 50 holder. We're going to go ahead and start it. We'll run the machine, just let you see its cycle go through. I'll go through some of the specifications on it. You'll see the feed rate. We'll show everything kind of moving around. This particular machine also has an 8,000 RPM speed range. So we'll go ahead and start some of that. We'll go ahead and hit start here. And you'll notice the spindle's turning, the table's going to the home. It's going to start the beginning of this program that we put in here. We put just a simple demo, basically to show you everything moving around, show you how quick and smooth everything moves, all the feed rates on it. You notice right here we can increase the speed, of course. Here's our spindle rate. You want to override that. As soon as it goes to the next step, automatic tool changer. Back to your spindle speed. So your x-axis on this machine is going to give you 63 inches. Your Y will give you 31.5, and your Z is also 31.5. Your table length is 66.9 by 31.5, so you have a very large table there to be able to do some really big envelopes. Again, the max speed rating is 8,000 RPM. Very big motor on these guys. Most people are going to compare these to Haas machines, to the VF6, which actually this one beats it in horsepower along with a lot of the specifications. Actually has a 34 horsepower motor rather than the 30 on a standard Haas. So they did definitely build these to be extra heavy duty. So now you can see it going through the program, each step of the program, X, Y, Z, and as well as the spindle speeds here, changing in and out. Right here we can see all the positions, the different speeds, the load meters. Everything on the FNUC is still going to be there, just like everybody knows how FNUC works. They're very simple to use, they're great for tech support. There's a lot of them in the, a lot of people available to work on them. You can see everything working there. I'll go ahead and just increase this and show you the speed increase and decrease. You can bring that speed right down real slow just to make sure everything's working properly with the program before we go ahead and set it into full action. You can see we can bring down the spindle just with this override right here. Of course, it has the coolant, chip conveyor. We'll show you a few other machines. There are a lot of machines available by this brand, all the different sizes, of course. Here's actually a big boring mill. We're going to move on to a VMC 1000B. This is a machining center. Very, very similar to this other machine. This is going to be a smaller capacity. Here's the smallest one they make. This is an 850, VMC 850. You'll see the table size. Still has the automatic tool changer, the coolant, and it also still uses this FNUC control. If you are familiar with the FNUC control, you'll notice there are millions of them out there on Earth. They're one of the most popular controls to run any machine. It's a very expensive controller. So they chose to put these controllers into these machines to make sure that you have comfortability of the machine, of the control, and the process. And you can get everything, all the tech support that you might need if you need some help on these. You can get it pretty quickly, which is always the most important to us. Make sure you get your machine back up and running. So if you're interested in this machine or any other, new or used, you have something to trade in, you want to trade up to something bigger, give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for a current inventory, some great financing options, as well as all the options that you can add to these machines and build your own custom machine at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.